So let's find the derivative of x squared negative 4x, which is a quadratic function. Let's find the derivative of this function with respect to x. And upon finding the derivative of the given function, we're going to use the standard definition of the derivative. Gaya ng nakikita ninyo dyan sa monitor natin yung formula ng standard definition of the derivative. So firstly, upon finding the value of the function of x positive delta x, we are going to do substitution. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng x variable sa given function natin na x squared negative 4x, lahat ng x variable doon ay papalitan natin ng x positive delta x. And upon doing this, we will have the square of the quantity x positive delta x negative 4 times the quantity x positive delta x. And for the function of x, isa-substitute lang natin yan, which is x squared negative 4x. So, here, pwede nating i-expand yung x positive delta x ng dalawang beses kasi yung exponent niya ay 2. So the square of x positive delta x, yung second power niya, will give us x squared positive 2x delta x positive the square of delta x. And upon distributing negative 4 into the quantity of x positive delta x by using the distributive law, that will give us negative 4x negative 4 delta x. And upon distributing the negative sign into the quantity x squared negative 4x, that will give us negative x squared positive 4x. So, kung napapansin ninyo, yung negative 4x and yung positive 4x, they can be combined. And upon combining them, that will give us 0. As well as the negative x squared and the positive x squared na kapag pinag-combine natin yung dalawang terms na yan, that will give us 0 as well. That's why the remaining on the numerator is the square of delta x positive 2x delta x negative 4 delta x. So dito kasi sa standard definition of the derivative, hindi tayo pwede magkaroon ng undefined dyan na result. So ang goal natin dito ay makancel yung delta x sa denominator. So in order for us to do this, firstly, we are going to take the factored form of the numerator dahil lahat ng terms sa numerator ay factorable by delta x, and that will give us delta x times the quantity delta x positive 2x negative 4. So the delta x on the numerator and the delta x on the denominator have been cancelled out. That's why the remaining is delta x positive 2x negative 4. Nung na-cancel na natin yung delta x sa denominator, pwede na tayo mag-direct substitution. So, ang mangyayari dyan, yung delta x ay papalitan natin ng isang value or number na ina-approach ng delta x, which is yung 0. So, we will have 0 positive 2x negative 4. And upon doing simple simplification, we have found out that the derivative of x squared negative 4x with respect to x is 2x negative 4, and that is the final answer. This is the process of finding the derivative of x squared negative 4x with respect to x by using the standard definition of the derivative.